Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create bitmoji on Snapchat with camera. First, let's go into Snapchat. Once in the app, you'll tap on the camera in the bottom just like you'll normally do to upload a Snapchat. Then you're going to tap on the smiley face in the bottom right hand corner beside the circle. Then you're going to tap on create bitmoji, and you'll simply bring the camera to your face. Tap on the male if you're a male, if you're a female, you tap on female. Then you'll simply tap on the suggestion that you like and tap on continue. And from here you can choose to change the skin tone if you'd like, or you can stay with the same skin tone. And down at the bottom of the screen, you can also alter different stuff, meaning the hairstyle, the lip, all different things. Then after you have set the bitmoji to your liking, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on yes. And from here, you can pick out your outfit. Let me just pick one out real quick. Right there. Then simply tap on save again in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Now you have your own bitmoji. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.